I welcome you on behalf of Rajan Tanak Creations. आमकां खूब खोस भोगता to announce a new film, Kokani film, titled Claudia. म्हाका खबर आसा की there is a long gap after my last film Miranda House. ते आमचे 2018 जाल्ले. मदीं कोविड आयलो, ताका लागून मदीं एक 2-3 वर्सां गेली अशीच. सो इट टेक्स टायम. हांव सदांच सांगता फिल्मां म्हणटा ती घडघडीन करप जायना. इट टेक्स टायम. बरी गजाल करपाक तुका पासियेंसान रावचें पडटा. तेन्नाच ताजें फळ बरें मेळटा. थोडे जाण नवीन आसा तांचे खातीर ऑलरेडी राजन तालक क्रिएशन्स प्रोड्यूस केल्या जवळ जवळ 7 कोंकणी फिल्मां आनी 4 मराठी फिल्मां. सो हें आमचें 8वें फिल्म आसा, जे स्टोरी, स्क्रीन प्ले एंड डिरेक्शन नी हांव सांबाळटलो. डायलॉग्स आर रिटन बाय ज्ञानपीठ एवॉर्डी डॉक्टर मावजो ताणें डायलॉग्स बरयतात. इट्स अ म्युजिकल फिल्म and the story is about a musician, one musician. तुमको तो musician he plays the role major, and Ajay, the story revolves around him.
He is very visionary, very perfectionist, आणि त्याच्यातले त्याची फुल टीम आहा ती इतली प्रोफेशनल आसा. सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी एंड व्हेरी एक्सायटेड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म. प्लस को एक्टर्स लुलू आसा, ह्यो आमचो.
You have to be a little conscientious of the fact that you're doing a particular character. You cannot take it for granted that you'll get onto the set and everything will be hunky-dory. No, even the lines. Every time you get onto the set, पेट में चूहे दौड़ते हैं. Whether it is your first shot or whether it is your last shot, it really doesn't matter. So I have really made myself understand that until and unless you know the craft, it's very difficult for somebody to understand that you are actually doing it for the purpose of a particular project. And you need to be very, very conscious of the fact that you're doing it for a particular project. This is not an easy project. It may sound easy. Yes, it's musical, all that is fine. But everybody has to play something or the other in the film. That is the best part of this film. It's just not me playing the saxophone. There's a lot of singing, there's a lot of piano playing, there's a lot of violin playing. All that is happening. So I would call it a musical film. Great. And everybody is a hero in this film.